Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk on affiliate marketing and what you really need to start an affiliate marketing business. Welcome to NLogic. Here I get to share with you how you can start your own six figures affiliate marketing business. Right, so let's get right into it. For those of you that do not know what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is, simply promoting somebody else's product through your social network, your website, and email. It could even be word of mouth, right? So it's affiliate marketing. You're simply the middleman. You're connecting buyers with the sellers, and you get a commission from the sales. Now, what do you need to start an affiliate marketing business or any online business in general, right? The first thing you need, of course, is a computer, whether it's your laptop or a desktop. It's really, really easy, or it's going to be really easy for you if you have a desktop or a laptop to start the business. For instance, you want to create a website, it's going to be easy using your laptop to do that. But do not worry if you do not have a laptop or a desktop. I got you. You can also still use your phone, but at the long run you still need to get a laptop for ease. And the second thing you need is a good internet. For those of us in Nigeria, we know that this can be sometimes difficult. We need a good internet to start any online business, especially affiliate marketing business, because you don't want to be frustrated when you really need to connect to your website and you need to do stuff online. You really need to get a good internet. And the third thing that you need is a debit card for making payments online. It can be a debit card from your bank or a virtual debit card for making payments online. Either one, you need a debit card for making online payments. But I really recommend that you can start with your debit card from your bank. But as time goes on, you really need to get a virtual debit card. It just makes everything easy, right? So these are the three things you need to start an affiliate market or any online business in general. I hope you got something from this video. Do not forget to like and share, and also kindly subscribe to the channel, as I'll be sharing more information, more tips on how you can start your affiliate marketing business from scratch. Thank you so much for watching.